Welcome to Cook Plants and Decor. We are wishing you a blessing week. Today, pork chops. They are very appealing. They are inexpensive, easy to cook, and easy to eat. But not all are so delicious like the one I will make today, and I will show you how I did it. Get ready to prepare this delicious and simple marinade for the pork chops. 1 to 2 tablespoons of steak seasoning, 1 tablespoon of cilantro, lime, and pepper salt, ground black pepper 1 tablespoon, and 1/3 cup of Marsala cooking wine. How you can see, no oil in this marinade, just use half of the wine at this time. Now in a bowl you're gonna place 2 to 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter, still frozen, and mash it with a fork. To make this process a little bit easier, I add 1 tablespoon of organic coconut oil. Add a bunch of parsley and a bunch of cilantro. Make an even mix and keep it refrigerated. Okay guys, are you ready for the next step? Guess what? We are using the Ninja Foodie again today, and we will roast 2 red bell peppers. I just turn on my Ninja Foodie, press on roast, and start. That's it. 15 minutes at 375 automatically. I will show you the results in 15 minutes because now it's time to sear the pork chops. Are you ready? On a high heat, place a large pan. It can be an iron pan or a regular one like this one. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and start searing the pork chop 2 to 3 minutes for each side. Now when we started to build the flavor, so we're going to add whole garlics, and it's time to place a good portion of our mix of butter and herb on top of our pork chops. Also add some of green onion and the other half of the Marsala cooking wine. Cover the pan and decrease the heat to low. And now guys, let me show you how the red bell pepper roasted in the Ninja Foodie. Look at these red bell peppers. They look perfect roasted. Now let me peel them and see if it's so difficult like when I roast them in the regular oven. Not at all. When we use the Ninja Foodie, it's so easy to peel my red bell peppers. Just look at this. And if you guys are wondering how I will use my roasted red bell peppers, okay, wait a minute, you will see. These delicious roasted bell peppers will give a special touch of flavor to my pork chops. And this is how we are finishing this recipe for today. Pork chops, cook plants and decor way. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you for being with me one more time. But if you are just passing by today and you like my video, please consider to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notifications so you don't miss any of my coming up videos. And I also will appreciate if you leave a comment, question, or suggestion. I will respond to you. Thank you again, and I see you in my next video. Bye bye.